Hi and welcome to Knightsbridge Estate, and more importantly, an opportunity not to be missed. Positioned on an impressive block of land, this spacious single-level home is ripe for renovation, or even possibly a great chance for you to build your dream home. The home itself combines generous indoor and outdoor living spaces and a wonderful in-ground pool. The block of land is an impressive 920 square metres, which is generally flat. It's rectangular in shape with a nice wide frontage, and it's capturing beautiful northern sunshine to the rear yard. The location is so convenient, being just moments from Samuel Gilbert Public School, Knightsbridge shops and express transport. And it's a chance at a blank canvas to make your own. Renovate or rebuild, it's here waiting at 46 Galahad Crescent, Castle Hill. I'm Karen Dangola from Stone. You care about finding the right home or the right opportunity for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. We look forward to seeing you soon.